Patient. My knees knock together when I walk. Provider. This describes being knock-kneed, where the knees angle inward and touch each other while walking. The medical term is genu valgum. I'm afraid that my child has crossed eyes. His eyes don't look in the same direction. Provider. This is strabismus, the medical term for crossed eyes, a condition where the eyes do not align properly. Patient. The cardiologist said I have a heart murmur. Provider. A heart murmur is a sound caused by turbulent blood flow in the heart. Patient. When I stood up quickly, I suddenly felt like I was spinning, and I was dizzy and nauseated. Provider. This describes vertigo, the sensation of spinning or dizziness. This occurs when small calcium particles in the inner ear become dislodged and can trigger sudden, severe episodes of dizziness. Patient. My stomach growled loudly in the middle of the meeting, and then I passed a lot of gas. Provider. That's borborygmi, the rumbling sound of gas and fluid moving in the intestines. It is usually harmless, but you should consult a medical provider if it is accompanied by other symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, or diarrhea. Patient. I have this persistent ringing sound in my ears and it's really bothering me. Provider. This is tinnitus, the perception of ringing or noise in the ears without an external source. It can be caused by noise exposure or an early sign of hearing loss. Patient. She looks short of breath and has cracking sounds in her lungs. Provider. Rails, or crackles, are rattling, bubbling, or clicking sounds heard in the lungs during inhalation. Caused by air opening closed air spaces in the lungs, often due to fluid or lung disease. Patient. I feel like a heavy drum is pounding inside my skull. Provider. This can be a migraine, a severe headache often accompanied by other symptoms. His cough was like a barking seal, loud and harsh. Provider. This is often a sign of croup, a viral infection that causes a distinctive cough. Patient. Every step I take makes my ankle snap and pop like bubble wrap. Provider. That popping sound can come from crepitus, the noise of joints or tissues rubbing together. Patient. My chest feels like an elephant is sitting on it after I walked up the stairs. Provider. This describes angina, chest pain due to reduced blood flow to the heart. Patient. My joints crackle and snap every morning like breakfast cereal. Is it from old age? Provider. This is another way to describe crepitus, especially in arthritis, as the damaged cartilage in the joint causes the bones to rub against each other. My husband snores like a roaring chainsaw in the silence of the night. Provider. Loud snoring can be a sign of obstructive sleep apnea, where breathing pauses during sleep.
When my child laughs, she wheezes like a squeezed accordion.
Provider. Cough and wheezing are common when young children have colds and chest infections. If it persists, this wheezing sound can be due to asthma, where narrowed airways cause difficulty breathing.